Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I wasn't going to do another video of this, and then not even the same person that asked me on the other pattern asked how you could make this one. And I was just going to make him a real quick video and send it to him, but I thought after I started doing it, I said there's some aspects to this that might help other people by the way I'm doing it. And I'm not taking a lot of time to trace this. I'm just trying to get the general shape, and I don't know why that's happening. Okay, I've drawn an outline of that shape, and I'm going to move this away. Now, but it's not perfect by a long shot, and you can see that. I like drawing in the center of the page, and this is one of them. And just to show you how far this thing's off, let's Control D and make a duplicate and mirror it. I mean, it's not even close. So there's a couple things we need to do real quick. One, we need this point in the center. So we can take our shape tool and with guideline snap 2 on, we can make sure these are both in the center, and they are. But now you can see these feet are different. So we're going to select both of them, go up to a line horizontally, and there we go. Now we need these to align horizontally. Now we need these two aligned vertically so they will fit together. If they don't fit together, we're no good. So we need them perpendicular to each other. So let's just take our shape tool, select that node and that node, and this time align them vertically. And it's so close, they were so close that one didn't really move. Okay, now, it doesn't matter what size we make it, we want something easily remember, so we're going to go 1.5 and it made it 1.5. Now set your nudge factor on 1.5 and make you a duplicate. And see how they're all nicely fitting together? Well, now we need to go downhill. But before that, before we do that, we need to make sure that the top and the bottom are going to fit together. And I'm almost guaranteed they won't, as you can see. So we need to make the top and the bottom the same. So to do that, we're going to use the top to move it down to the bottom. Control D and make a duplicate, holding down the control button, and get it right above that spot. Take this the Smart Fill tool, left click, right click. I'm going to do it in black now, so this is the fixed one. And we'll just see how my theory worked. We're going to get the parallel dimension tool, and we're going to go from that node to that node, and we're at 3.79. So change your nudge factor to 3.79. And if you notice, I didn't delete that till after I had it in case I forgot what the number is. Control D and move it down, and they're going to be exactly fit. That's why I decided to do the video, kind of like right there. Now change your nudge factor back to that 1.5. Control D and make a duplicate. And I think the drawing had 6 across. And if you didn't watch the other video on how to fill in the colors, it was pretty easy. And so maybe look at part 1. I'm not going to go over it again. But as you can see, there's some that aren't in the, there's some non-complete arrows. So we've got 2 full sets and 2 half sets. So that's what we have here, kind of. We've got, no, we need 1 more set. So we need to put it on, back on that 3.79, was it? Grab all these, Control D and make it that. Now to make it look like the picture, take your rectangle tool and just start maybe like on that node and go down here. Let's move that out of the way for a second. For this to work, we need to group this together. and then move this back, and then select it all, and we're going to use the intersect tool, and there we have a color pattern just like the drawing. Or close enough. There's these, I could have made it a little bit shorter because these parts didn't show. And then you just fill in the colors. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.